there, I'm Merelda, your librarian. Have you ever tried to find an article in online databases, but when you finally found it, you realize that you forgot to log in into IMU network? It can be frustrating, right? But the good news is you can sign in directly on the publisher's website using institutional login with IMU username and password via Shibboleth. In this video, I will guide you on how to access IMU library electronic resources using Shibboleth. This method allows you to enjoy full access to IMU library subscribed databases at any time and anywhere.
So, what exactly is Shibboleth? Shibboleth is an open source software that enables single sign-on access. This means you can log in to databases like Science Direct, BMJ Practice, and others using IMU username and password without going through the IMU library portal. It's especially helpful when you are off campus because it allows you to sign in directly on the publisher's website. In this video, I will use Science Direct as an example. First, open your browser and go to the Science Direct website. Now, you are at the home page. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. You will see a window will appear asking you to find your organization. Just type IMU University into the search box and then click Submit and Continue button to proceed. Then, you will be redirected to IMU login page. Enter your IMU credential to continue. Remember, just log in using your IMU email address and password. Once logged in, you are now ready to access full-text articles and journals that IMU Library subscribes to on Science Direct. Just so you know, Science Direct isn't the only platform that you can access this way. For your information, there are also other databases that can be accessed using login via Shibboleth or institutional login. Here are some of them.
Now that you have seen how to access to IMU library electronic resources through Shibboleth, we hope that this video makes your research easier and efficient. Thanks for watching. Bye!